Welcome to Optimal Cures. Today, we're uncovering the essential foods that naturally support thyroid health. Your thyroid gland is a small organ with a big role in regulating metabolism, energy, mood, and more. You can nourish and optimize your thyroid's function by eating the right foods. Let's dive into the top foods to add to your diet for better thyroid health. 1. Seaweed. Due to its rich iodine content, seaweed is a powerhouse for thyroid health. Iodine is a vital mineral your thyroid uses to produce hormones, and without enough of it, your thyroid may become sluggish, leading to hypothyroidism. Seaweed varieties such as kelp, nori, and wakame are particularly high in iodine, providing a natural way to meet your daily requirements. Beyond iodine, seaweed contains antioxidants, fiber, and essential nutrients like vitamin K and iron, which support overall health. Adding a sprinkle of dried seaweed to soups, salads, or rice dishes can make a big difference in your thyroid function. 2. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are a nutritional goldmine for your thyroid, packed with selenium, a mineral that protects the thyroid gland from oxidative stress and supports the conversion of the hormone T4 into its active form, T3. Eating just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide your entire daily selenium requirement, making this one of the easiest ways to boost your thyroid health. The high antioxidant content in Brazil nuts also combats inflammation, a common issue linked to thyroid disorders. Enjoy them as a snack, or chop them into a nutty topping for your favorite dishes. 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent for thyroid health due to their high levels of omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, which can damage the thyroid gland, while vitamin D supports immune system regulation, protecting against autoimmune thyroid disorders such as Hashimoto's thyroiditis. These fish also contain iodine and selenium, making them a comprehensive thyroid-boosting food. Including fatty fish in your meals twice a week can do wonders for balancing thyroid function and overall wellness. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a simple yet powerful food for thyroid health. They contain a mix of nutrients essential for thyroid function, including iodine, selenium, and tyrosine. Tyrosine, an amino acid found in the protein of eggs, is a building block for thyroid hormones. Meanwhile, selenium and iodine work together to ensure these hormones are produced and activated effectively. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, or as an omelet, eggs are an affordable and versatile way to support your thyroid. 5. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of zinc, a mineral crucial for regulating thyroid hormone production and maintaining a healthy immune system. Zinc deficiency can impair thyroid function and lead to hormonal imbalances. Pumpkin seeds also contain antioxidants and healthy fats that combat inflammation, promoting thyroid health. A handful of pumpkin seeds as a snack or sprinkled over salads or oatmeal can deliver these essential benefits while adding a satisfying crunch to your meals. 6. Spinach and leafy greens. Spinach and other leafy greens like Swiss chard and kale are packed with magnesium, a mineral often overlooked but critical for thyroid health. Magnesium plays a key role in converting inactive T4 into active T3 hormones and regulating the thyroid's overall function. While some cruciferous greens like kale can interfere with iodine absorption if eaten raw in excess, cooking them reduces this effect, making them a safe and nutrient-rich option for your thyroid. Incorporate these greens into stir-fries, smoothies, or soups to give your thyroid a magnesium boost. 7. Chicken and turkey. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are excellent sources of tyrosine, the amino acid needed to produce thyroid hormones. These proteins also provide zinc, making them a dual benefit food for thyroid health. Including lean poultry in your meals not only helps maintain your thyroid, but also provides sustained energy and supports muscle repair. Grilled, baked, or added to salads, chicken and turkey are versatile choices for a thyroid-friendly diet. 8. Dairy products. Dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese, are natural sources of iodine, selenium, and vitamin D, 3 nutrients essential for thyroid function. They also provide tyrosine, ensuring your thyroid has all the raw materials needed to produce hormones efficiently. Probiotic-rich yogurt offers the added benefit of supporting gut health, which is closely linked to thyroid function. Opt for low-fat or full-fat versions depending on your dietary preferences, and enjoy them in moderation for optimal results. 9. Berries. Berries, including blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are antioxidant powerhouses that protect the thyroid from oxidative stress and inflammation. These vibrant fruits are also rich in vitamin C, which helps the body absorb other thyroid-supportive nutrients like iron and zinc. A bowl of mixed berries, as a snack or breakfast addition, is a simple yet effective way to give your thyroid the care it needs. Plus, their natural sweetness makes them a delightful treat. 10. Turmeric. Turmeric is a well-known anti-inflammatory spice that can work wonders for thyroid health. Chronic inflammation is often a hidden factor in thyroid dysfunction, and turmeric's active compound, curcumin, helps combat this issue. Adding turmeric to your meals or drinking golden milk made with turmeric and warm milk can provide a soothing and beneficial boost to your thyroid. Pair turmeric with black pepper to enhance its absorption and maximize its benefits. 11. Whole grains. Whole grains like oats, quinoa, and brown rice are excellent for maintaining stable energy levels and supporting thyroid health. These grains are rich in B vitamins, fiber, and complex carbohydrates, which help regulate blood sugar levels and prevent fatigue, a common symptom of thyroid dysfunction. Fiber also promotes digestive health, ensuring smooth hormone regulation. Incorporating whole grains into your diet as a base for meals is a nutritious way to sustain thyroid function. 12. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are small but mighty when it comes to thyroid support. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, which reduce inflammation and stabilize energy levels. These tiny seeds also help balance blood sugar, an essential factor in overall hormone health. Adding chia seeds to smoothies, yogurt, or baked goods is an easy and effective way to nourish your thyroid while enjoying their unique texture. 13. Green tea. Green tea is not only a metabolism booster, but also a thyroid-supportive beverage. Its catechins and polyphenols help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, protecting the thyroid gland. Green tea also supports weight management, which can be challenging for those with thyroid issues. Enjoying a cup of green tea daily is a refreshing and health-boosting habit to adopt. In conclusion, taking care of your thyroid starts with the foods you choose to eat. From iodine-rich seaweed to antioxidant-packed berries, every meal is an opportunity to nourish this vital gland. Be mindful of incorporating these nutrient-dense foods into your diet, and remember that small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in your overall health. Which of these foods will you be adding to your plate? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Optimal Cures for more life-changing health tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health, your remedy, your cure.